See, the door is good. It's got some trimming. Rear bumper is good. All this trim. Oh, it's cracked a little bit, but still functional. Even though these are completely trashed, there's plenty of good parts on them. See this lid? It's in great condition. I don't know how much they're gonna charge me here, but I'll probably get it. See, this part is good. Mine is all messed up, see, and this is coupe. Oh, it's broken right there. See, some people come here, probably from our group, and just damage even more parts on it. These cars were at European Car Recycler, so they just got dumped here. Stock springs are here. Rack and pinion. The carpet, I'm gonna need the carpet. This is the tan carpet. See, the carpet is good, so if anybody needs a carpet, tan carpet, because I know it's hard to find somebody that's parting out one of these that needs a carpet. So, but I need the gray carpet because Petrillo torn the one that he sold me. So see, carpet is gone out of here. I'm moving on to next E30. I don't even know if this is from E30. Let's see the date. 89 must be. See, I need one of these to eliminate the short throw shifter on mine. Surprisingly, the dashboard is cracked, but it's still all right. Let's see. Look at that. Still has its shape. No carpet. 86 sedan. Oh, there's a diff. There's a diff. Let's see what kind of diff. I can't see. Here you go, guys. If somebody needs a diff, I can't see what ratio though. The tag is kind of old. Let's see if it's LSD or not. No, it's open. It's open. It's probably 293 open. On to the next one. Here we go, we got a convertible. 87 convertible. It does have a differential. It has a good muffler. I might get this muffler. Look at this. And I need the muffler. I need to take that aftermarket garbage muffler and put it in. Look. It's all good, man. Muffler is good, man. I'm just gonna keep all these hangers on there. They're not gonna charge me extra for them. Oh, look at that. It's a good exhaust, man. Oh, yeah. It has a diff. It's open diff. So, pretty good deal, man. Still plenty of parts in these cars. Plenty of good parts. Like me, I mean, see, I need this airbox. I don't have the airbox. Yeah, see, the sports seat is all there. It's torn though. Good steering wheel. Yeah, baby. On to the next one. Whoever needs parts, man. They're not gonna keep these cars for long here, so if somebody needs parts, come get it. So we got another late model convertible, but see, the muffler is cut. They cut the muffler when they were removing catalytic converters. This is 91. Plastic bumper is cracked. 325i, is it automatic or not? Yes, it is automatic. Dash is cracked, but it's all there. Sports seat all gone. 10 carpet is not gonna work for me anyway. He's got a late model ECU sitting there waiting for you. The diff is there, but somebody removed the cover. It's probably, yeah, it is open. It's open. It's got good shocks in the back, stock ones. Doors are good. Front suspension is good, but these springs, I mean, they're not going to work on the coupe. It's going to give it too much lift. You got this engine block, look good. There's no rust in it. Cylinders look good. So somebody removed that cylinder head recently. You got the ignition wires. Yeah, the tabs right here are still intact, so this is good. Oh, it's broken here. The intake manifold is here. I'm gonna need this soon. It's got those wheels, the IS wheels, 14s. It's got a good rim. Man, this thing has been left in the sun for a long time. Just look at the seats. Wow. Sun is radiation. The sun's gonna do that. The cluster looks good. It's a late model cluster. On to the next one. Who needs M20? Is it a 2.7? It's just sitting here waiting for you. From a wrecked 5 Series, so engine is probably good, and it's sitting here waiting for you, buddy. Come get it. So we got early coupe. Somebody took the IS slip off. Does it have a diff? Yeah, it has a diff. Let's see if it's LSD or not. Oh, let's see. I can't spin it. And tag is missing on the right side. I can't open the door to see what it is. Oh, it's E. It's actually ETA. So if it has an LSD, it's gonna be it's manual. So it's gonna be like 293 LSD if it has that. See, somebody took the tag off. If somebody took the tag off, it probably has a LSD. Somebody needed the tag. Come on, motherfucker. All right, e-brake is down. These always crack, so I might as well take one of these. All right, can I spin it? Oh, it's open. It's open there, so not LSD. It's 86 coupe. There you go, guys. Somebody needs something from 86. It's been in the sun forever. On to the next one. This is what I'm buying. This good leather back seat of E36, stock muffler, this mud guard for the E30, and air box. I'm just gonna get the air mass meter also, airflow meter actually. So it's gonna be like $30 for the airflow meter alone, but I could use a spare. All right, time to go over there and pay, and let's see how much everything is. All right, this is how much it was. Look at this. So even though it's one muffler, he's charging me $15 for the muffler, then muffler pipe, that's the section in front of it, he's charging me for that, and then he's charging me for muffler tip, even though it's part of the muffler. But even though, it still comes out okay. Let it focus. Air cleaner housing $16, airflow meter $28, the plastic piece inside the fender $9, and this seat section is $12.80. And then with tax and everything, $110. I mean, it's not that bad. But now you know, guys, when somebody's selling parts and everybody wants shit cheap, you see that it's not that cheap. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Till next time.